SERV Stock tomorrow. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video I'm answering that, so let's see where is it going in this one in the next upcoming days, weeks and months. Okay, so Serve Robotics, yeah, like a 9% decrease in price. Just to let you know, this is from a day/swing trade perspective, and the strategy that I'm using has previously given me thousands of correct predictions in 2023 and 2024, and I'm telling you all this because it is literally the truth, and I've documented everything. So on the lower time frame, this is how it looks like. I'm just trying to double down on the trend because I saw the opportunity in the market, and from what we can see with Serve is, bro, it's kind of going down like right now, like between me and you, more like than not we can just crash. But by the way, but yeah, because that's happened a lot. But I'm just gonna wait it out and see. You know, there's nothing else that I do. It's a risk-free thing, and yeah, man, let's see, like let's really see. Either way, putting in the rep, seeing what's gonna happen, whether it delivers or not. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one.